Isang ulam na pangmaramihan, konting karne, extended with a lot of vegetables, sulit na sulit sa isang pamilya.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha-ha.
Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay very classic na pochero dish, but instead of using beef or just chicken, gagawin nating chicken and meatball pochero. Dahil nga, yung natira kong manok dito sa bahay, konti lang, at meron akong natirang ground beef dito. Halos hindi na to aabot ng kalahating kilo. So, how do we expand that? So, yung gagawin ko dito, unahin ko paggawa ng meatballs while the chicken is marinating in the salt. So, meron ako ditong garlic. Titimplan ko lang siya ng konting patis. Mix it together. I want it to be a little bit salty, kasi pag nilagay ko later sa sabaw, mawawala din yung saltiness niya. So, I just put a little bit of cracked black pepper. And just to increase the volume of my meatballs, lalagyan ko lang siya ng isang egg at breadcrumbs. Yung breadcrumbs, ito yung mga tira-tira kong mga pandesal sa bahay, yung hindi nauubo. So, medyo tumitagas na siya. Wala nang gustong kumain. So, ginagawa ko, fini-freeze ko siya. Then, after, ginigrate ko siya gamit ang cheese grater. Ginigrate ko siya para makagawa ko ng breadcrumbs. So, sarili kong gawa to ng breadcrumbs. Just mix it up together. So, medyo marami din yung breadcrumbs, So, around probably a half cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg. Para medyo dumami naman yung volume ng aking konting giniling. Mix it again para hindi siya mag-break when I'm cooking the meatballs. Sticky na siya. I'll just add a little bit more of black pepper kasi gusto ko very peppery. So, you see it's very sticky already. So, meron akong casserole dito. Heat up the pan and I just add a little bit of oil. Yan. Oil in the bottom of the pan. I'll just get a little bit of water. May water on the side. I'll just wet the palm of my hand. So, be sure that your hands are clean, So, you just wet the palm of your hands. Then, you get a spoonful of your meatballs. Yan. And form it into a ball. Tingnan mo. So, hindi ka nahihirapan na gumawa ng meatballs sa palipat-lipat. You just put a little water in your hand para hindi siya maging sticky. And you just put it in your pan. So, konting oil, hindi siya deep fried, We don't intend to deep fry this. We just want to sear the outsides. So, ito, kahit patis lang yung timpla ko, medyo nagiging mabango na yung aking kitchen. See, nag-brown na yung other side. So, very easy to do. And on the other side, yung chicken ko kanina, look at that. So, yung key talaga natin is we have to be resourceful and creative in the kitchen. Kasi, alam mo, hindi always kompleto yung mga ingredients natin. And you feel na hindi ka makaluto kasi wala yung kailangan mo, wala, dead end ka na. So, you really have to have an open mind. Hindi naman kailangan cook through yung meatballs kasi lulutuin pa natin siya. Then, what do we do now? We add our onions. And we add water. So, simple lang, no? After we sear and saute everything, we just add some water. Just enough water na medyo mag-cover ng konti ng ang ating protein. Then, bring that to a simmer. Let's wait for that to boil. Tatakpan ko lang siya saglit. So, our chicken and meatballs have been boiling for around 5 minutes. Yan. Then, yung gagawin natin next is gagamit tayo ng menudo sauce. So, yung instant menudo sauce. Hindi ibig sabihin menudo sauce siya. Pang menudo lang siya. So, it's very versatile din. So, ito yung pochero is kind of soupy, di ba? Small pack lang yung kailangan natin para maging reddish yung ating sauce. So, kung gusto mo maging mas flavorful yung ating pochero, pwede kang gumamit ng all-purpose seasoning like Wow Sarap. Pwede mo lagyan ng konti, just a little. Or you can just use patis if you want, or salt. Pero I use a combination of the seasoning and a little patis. Let it simmer. While it's simmering, ilalagay ko na rin yung hard vegetables natin. So, eto yung gagamitin ko. Instead of potatoes, gagamitan ko siya ng kamote. We let it simmer for a few minutes. Then, we add our next batch of vegetables. So, pag nagluluto ka ng mga ganito is, by batch ka nagdadagdag ng vegetable, starting with the most long to cook. So, ngayon medyo half-cook na yung ating sweet potatoes. Ilalagay naman natin yung banana. Saging saba. Surely, the kids would love this, diba? May saging, may kamote. Then, we add our corn. So, we're using UFC canned corn. And a little bit of Baguio beans. We let that cook for a few minutes. And now, luto na yung ating bananas and Baguio beans. We add our cabbage last. So, pwede cabbage. You can also put yung native petchay, which I also like, pero wala akong makuha. So, ito siya. It's just coming up with a dish with whatever's available. And just to finish it, we add our cracked black pepper. Yan, plate na tayo. Tabi natin yung chicken. And our beans and our corn on one side. Look at that. It's so appetizing, it's so social, and so hearty. So here it is, our chicken and meatball pochero. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.